Hello, welcome to a one-bedroom apartment in Pacific Heights. You walk into this foyer that has a nice deep coat closet, lots of storage. You also have private laundry machines. You have a Bosch stackable machines. Nice slate-like floors. You also have a full bath with tub and shower. There is one bedroom facing the street, but you have nice double pane windows. Big closet with mirrored doors. The living room has a gas fireplace, a nice tree for privacy. There is a dining area here and a lovely kitchen with granite counters. You have a stove, microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. If you are interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks for looking.